I'm turning my cameras on this time. Last time I forgot to turn them on.
Oh. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. .501. 501. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. .403. 403. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. .390. 390. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. .369. Last string, Abby?
Yep.
Last string. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by.
Ah, double feed. I got a jam. That will be my throw out round.
A knife?
If you have one. Screwdriver, not good. Thank you.
Pop that shoot stop plate for me. See what time you got here. Okay, 30 seconds, Abby.
Okay, you see your screwdriver again.
Doesn't like that last bullet.
No. Clear?
Clear.
I think I dropped a few on the ground now.
No, bag, then pick them.
Are you shooting hollow points?
No.
Is some of those?
That one's mine.
Sign right there.
Yep.
There's one of yours.
Thank you.
There's one more. Two more.
It's not going down.
See, those little plates weren't hard to hit. He hit them all.
Okay, next shooter.
You got it. Everybody's gonna have a nice range factor. Come out here in the middle of the night and put a dummy in the middle of the range.